Hi guys, and welcome to Yocket's YouTube channel, where we're discussing part 2 of Yocket's Country Guide, the UK edition. Hi, I'm Shruti, a study abroad expert at Yocket, and in this 2-part series, we're covering everything you need to know about studying in the UK. We've already discussed the most student-friendly cities, top universities, and the most popular courses. In this video, we're going to talk more about the education structure, the cost of studying in the UK, the application process, admission procedures, and so much more. If you haven't watched the first part of this video, go ahead, watch it now. We're waiting. If you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from Yocket. Now that you're all caught up, let's pick up where we left off. 3, 2, 1, blast off. As we covered in the first part, the UK consists of 4 main regions: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. And different regions in the UK have different academic rules. Now, most students know that they either want to pursue their undergraduate or postgraduate degrees. But do you know that there are different types of undergraduate and postgraduate degrees? Don't worry, we've got you covered. There are more than 395 colleges and universities to choose from when getting a bachelor's or undergraduate degree in the UK. The most common one being the bachelor's degree. This is a 3 to 4 year course focused on a specific subject. For example, a BA, BSc would fall in this category. Certificates of higher education. This is a 2 to 3 year course that's equivalent to 2 years of an honours program and can be stretched to 3 years for an honours degree. Also calling it a bridge course, it is designed to build confidence among students to study at university level. Diplomas of higher education. Designed for professions such as social work and medicine, it is equivalent to 2 years of an honours program and can go up to 3 years for an honours degree. Foundation degree. Equivalent to a 2 years honours program, this degree is usually opted for if the student wishes to work right after secondary school. It can be continued up to 3 years for obtaining an honours bachelor degree. Higher National Diploma. This is a 2-year certificate course where if you score well, you can continue the diploma for another year. And lastly, the sandwich degree. An academic degree that is dedicated to practical work experience, the sandwich degree is usually a 1-year degree. Now let's move on to the postgraduate programs. Taught master's courses. For example, an MSc, an MA, or M Engineering. A taught master's degree is a 12-month course delivered and assessed through a set of taught modules and may also include independent research work. Research masters, for example, an MSc, MPhil, or MRes. A 2 to 3 year degree program with no structured units. The focus of a research master's is 1 or more extended projects with guidance from an expert supervisor, but the primary focus is on the research work. MBA. An immensely popular choice, MBA is a 1 to 2 year graduate level business program that teaches you technical, managerial, and leadership skills. The goal is to equip you with business acumen and entrepreneurial skills. You can even specialize in a particular field within the degree. PhD. A doctoral research degree program, it's the highest level of academic qualification. A 3 to 5 year PhD is awarded for a dissertation based on extensive research in a chosen field. Now that you know about the different types of degrees in the UK, let's move on to the next biggest question on your mind: the cost of education. The undergraduate fees ranges between £10,000 to £38,000. Of course, for medical courses, this could be much higher. On average, masters in the UK cost about £20,000 per year. Top universities may have slightly higher fees. Talking about living expenses, the government mandates that you need at least £1,265 per month. The best part is that the UK government gives discounts to students on almost everything, from public transport, books, food, entertainment. So if you're a student in the UK, you're advised to ask for discounts everywhere. So the next question is, when are the deadlines and when do you apply? There are usually 2 intakes, fall and spring. The fall intake is for courses that start in September, the deadline for which is usually in January. However, for some courses like dentistry, medicine, veterinary, etc., the deadlines are in October. The spring intake is for courses that start between March and April, the deadlines for which are between October to January. For university or course-specific deadlines, check out Yocket's free university deadline tracker in the link below. Here are a few things you'd like to keep in mind when applying in the UK. Most universities in the UK do not require the students to appear for the GRE or the GMAT. Either of the two English proficiency tests, that is IELTS or TOEFL, is considered. Academic excellence is sometimes mandatory and a high priority requirement for universities in the UK. Work experience is mandatory for certain courses like MBA. Students with backlogs can apply at several UK universities, but other important factors are taken into account when you apply, such as your standardized test scores for IELTS. However, please keep in mind that there are some UK universities that don't have any specific requirements for backlog acceptance, and a good IELTS score has no stand in granting admissions to students. Next, what do you need to remember when you apply? Let's go through the checklist together. Once you've decided to study in the UK, it is advisable to plan at least 12 months before the admission season. For undergraduate or bachelor's degrees, you need to apply through the UCAS website. For master's degrees, you need to apply to the university directly. For the application, you need a list of documents, starting with proof of English language proficiency or test scorecards, personal statement, 2 or more references and their contact information if required, letters of recommendation, academic transcripts with certified translations in English, a research proposal if asked, a CV, a copy of your passport, and any other additional documents such as portfolios, additional essays, etc. that are specific to the university and course. Once you've uploaded all the documents, the next step is to pay the application fee. If you're accepted, you will receive a CAS form or Confirmation of Acceptance of Studies. If you're curious to know more about the best universities that are suited for your academic and professional profile, try Yocket's Grad School Finder in the link below. Just enter a few basic details about yourself such as your country, course, test scores, etc., and you'll get a ready-made shortlist of universities for you to get started. If you'd like to connect with other study abroad aspirants from your college, participate in the discussions, get your doubts answered, and be part of India's largest study abroad community, then download the free Yocket app on both Google Play Store and iOS. Now that you know about the types of degrees, the application process, there is another pivotal part for us to cover, the UK student visa. Here are some of the steps. Step 1. Check if you have received a CAS certificate from the university. Step 2. If you have received any scholarships from the university, make sure to check if the CAS certificate mentions that. Otherwise, you may face problems in the visa interview. Step 3. You will need to show the required funds in your bank account. Step 4. The earliest you can apply for a visa is 3 months before you start your course. You'll usually get a decision on your visa within 3 weeks. Step 5. Check the kind of visa you need. You need Tier 4 General Student Visa, which costs £310 for a full-time degree, and a Student Visitor Visa, which costs £83 if you're going to study for less than 6 months. Step 6. Get an immigration health surcharge. Step 7. Book visa at the UK immigration website, which is in the link below. Step 7. Give your biometrics at the Visa Application Center or VAC for receiving a biometric residence permit. You can collect it within 10 days of arrival in the UK. Step 8. Get your tuberculosis screening done from UK approved clinics. Step 9. Give your visa interview either at a VAC or online through a video. Now this part's super important. For your college application visa, these are the documents you will need. Your original birth certificate, your CAS form, your passport, your passport size photographs, your academic documents, proofs to support your finances, English language proficiency test scorecards, proof of payment for immigration health surcharge, and lastly, a tuberculosis screening certificate. Lastly, here are a few things to keep in mind. You should apply for your student visa within 6 months of receiving your CAS form and before 3 months of beginning your course. If your course length is less than 6 months, you can arrive in the UK latest up to 1 week before your course starts. If your course lasts more than 6 months, you can reach the UK up to 1 month before the start of your course. Wow, that was a lot of information to take in. If you'd like to know more, check out www.yocket.in/study in the United Kingdom for more details. If you liked this video, please click the thumbs up button. It would mean the world to us. If you have any questions, please comment below and our counselors will get right back to you. For more videos about studying abroad and any other questions you may have, subscribe to Yocket's YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Until I see you next time, stay tuned, stay safe.